Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be trying to make a Roblox game with ChatGPT. So unless you've been living under a rock, you probably know what ChatGPT is. Basically, it's this very smart AI that can do a lot of things, including writing Roblox code. But before we start the video, we have to make one very important change. There we go, that's much better. So right now, we can start by asking it to give me a whole bunch of Roblox game ideas. So number 3 looks pretty cool. A tycoon game. We're gonna go with that. So here we are in Roblox Studio. So we're gonna be creating a tycoon game about you running a business. Now I haven't decided on what the business is gonna be. So let's actually ask the AI to give me some business ideas. A virtual in-person training or fitness coaching service that helps people reach their health and fitness goals. Or it's basically like a gym. So I guess we'll make like a fitness center. So we're gonna be making a gym in Roblox Studio. Get in a part. Amazing. There we go. And then let's just like make the entrance of the building like that. Okay, so we have our frame, but I want to make it a little bit different. Maybe something like that. Maybe more blue. I think that looks a little bit better. So now I'm going to ask the AI to write a script that will move this wall, basically over here, and then it'll move it back when triggered by an event, which will have like a pressure plate detector or something. Yeah, let's go ask the AI to do that. Create a part that moves right when triggered by an event. Or actually, instead of move, let's change it to slide, because we want like a sliding motion. And let's see what it gives us. Okay, I made a mistake. I did not specify Roblox. Okay, so that was the wrong one. This one should work. So, I'm just gonna write out the script now. Actually, that's pretty good. So we're just gonna copy that code, and then we're just gonna paste in the code. So we're just gonna change the distance to 8, and the speed. Let's do it in 1 second. Okay, so not only do we want it to move there, we also want it to move back. So we're going to create another tween using the one that has given us, just like that. So untouched, I might change that, but we'll go test it out first. Okay, so here we are. So I believe as soon as we touch the door, it will. Wow, that's perfect, except for the fact that it moves just a little bit too much, and it's a bit wonky. Okay, so hopefully this works. So it's gonna go in there. And then it flew to space. So it moves in, perfect, and then I'll move back. So now we have the frame. I guess we can start working on a leader stats. So I'm gonna ask the AI to create a leader stats. This is very interesting. Not what I want, really. I don't need that. So I would say ChatGPT kind of failed, or I just really suck at explaining on what I want to do. So instead, I'm just going to make my own leader stats very quickly. This is all it takes to make a leader stats. It's not that hard. As you can see, cash 0, leader stats. Okay, great. So now that we have our leader stats, the next thing I'm going to ask it to do is create a data store service to save the data. Okay, so this is very interesting because it goes with the local player. I don't think this works on a server script though, but we're going to try it. This script does not work. So it looks like the AI failed once again. So looks like we're going to be creating our own data store script. So here I have a script for a data store. So, wow. we have a data store script now. That's crazy. Alright, so next thing we can do is ask the AI to basically write a script that makes everything inside a model or our part 1 become visible when you touch this red part. And let's see what it gives us. Okay, so the script should work. We just have to change the part that we're touching, but it should be fine. So if we copy that script, go back into Roblox Studio. Let's move this door a bit back, and then I have a script under by 1, and we can just paste that in. So we can change the model into part like that, and we can also change model to script.parent.part1, and that should work. However, what that's going to do is going to make everything have a transparency of 0, which we don't want. So what I'm thinking is modify the script to something like this. It should now work. Okay, so here we are. So if we walk up to this part, if we touch it, it's actually, oh wait, it works. Okay. The door's a bit broken though. Oh, okay. Well, I guess that works. Okay, so we fixed the issue. So ChatGPT was successful in creating this part of the game, which is actually just the main function of the game, which means now we can basically go create the rest of the infrastructure of the entire gym. So I'll be back after a quick montage. And this is what we got so far. I know it's not much. I don't actually know how a gym looks. I just kind of just put in random free models here and there. We have a dumbbell rack, a treadmill, whatever this is, weightlifting, and an NPC here. So what I think we'll do is when you press this button, basically it'll buy the entire frame of the shop, and then we can have a separate button for basically each part of it, just like that. So now I'm gonna use the code that the AI gave me to make each section appear when you touch these buttons. Okay, so I'm inside the game, and as you can see, I have 0 cash, and the first button is free. So I can basically collect it. It'll give us a framework. We can go inside. As you can see, we are collecting cash on the side every single second. We can touch it to collect the cash that will go into our leader stats. And once we have enough cash for the next button, we can collect it. And as you can see, if you don't have enough cash, you can't collect the next button. And then you can keep on collecting cash from this machine over here. And once you have enough cash, collect it, boom, the next area appears. And then the next one over here, this costs, well, it's supposed to cost 2,000, but for some reason it's not visible. Okay, so there we go. So this costs 2,000, and over here, if we collect our cash, we have enough to buy this. So we can just buy that. The next area appears. The last area costs 5k, and then we can just keep on collecting cash here. You might even notice that every time we buy a new section, the amount of cash we get increases. That's intentional. And just like that, we have 5k, which means we can now go buy the very last area, just like that. Yeah, so that's basically the entire game. It's nothing too fancy. If you guys want me to continue development of this game, you guys can tell me in the comments down below. I probably won't, but maybe. I personally don't think this is a very fun game. It's literally just a tycoon made by an AI, and I'm pretty sure it doesn't even work in multiplayer, so that's a thing. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So I tried to put the picture that you see on the screen right now as the game icon of the game, but Roblox took it down and said it was a self photo. Roblox, do better, please.